the Nike Adapt BB test here at CNET. Our in-house B-boy Alfred is going to do some stress testing. All the way tightest setting. Go ahead, let's do it. All right, they seem to work. It's the dead of winter here in New York. It's freezing, but we got an invite to Nike's headquarters where they're going to be announcing the new self-lacing sneaker. I'm excited to try it. Let's go check it out.
I'm happy to introduce the Nike Adapt BB.
They just gave me the new Nike Adapt BBs, self-lacing sneakers. It comes with an app, so as soon as you launch the app, it connects with your sneakers. Now, every time you close down the app, it disconnects to save battery. But as you can see, it syncs up very easy. So let me throw them on. Now, they're already pretty snug. To lace them up, you just play with the app here. That's for the left one. Ooh.
Now, will this stay on?
An interesting sensation.
It won't right now.
And the right one.
Just light up.
Now you probably can't hear it from here, but it makes this loud motory sound where it laces them. And this is the tightest my shoes have ever been. I'm the type of guy that keeps my sneakers very loose, so this is very strange to me, but you know, if I was an athlete, a basketball player, I could see why you would want them this tight. All right, so just so you can hear them, let me take this one off, and I'm gonna lace the left one and hold them up to the mic just so you can hear how loud it is. It's pretty damn loud. These are the Nike Adapt BBs, OTF. That stands for on the feet for those that speak sneakerhead. So Nike's known for innovating with sneaker technology. It all started with the waffle pattern on the running shoes, and then they introduced the Air. We saw Tune Air, Air Max. We even saw Shocks, and now we got the self-lacing sneakers. We've seen these in a couple pairs of shoes. The difference is these are a little cheaper, still expensive at $350, but we're actually gonna see some NBA players wear them on the court. So this is the Adapt app right here. You need this to sync up with your sneakers. Now, right when you launch it, you're gonna see that they connect really quick. All the way down means the left shoe and the right shoe are all the way loose. So if I wanna tighten up all the way, I can bring them both up. And I can feel them slowly going up. You hear the loud motor going. If you wanna completely kill it, hit that one right there. And right here, this is where you can set modes if you prefer them a little bit looser or in different settings. So if you want a cool down mode, you can set that all up right here. And right here, you can customize the colors. So if you see, this will change the color on the side of the sneaker, and that just adds a little bit of customization there. And then battery life is right here. As you can see, I have 42% on the left sneaker, 43% on the right, and I've already seen these go down by at least 5% since I've been here. There's a wireless charging pad you can set your sneakers on to charge. If you want to run a quick game, you can put them on for 15 minutes. It'll last a full game. If you wanted to fully charge them, you would set them on the pad for 3 to 4 hours, and it'll last 10 to 14 days. All right, let me take these off really quick. Now, the technology inside is what Nike's calling the brain, which is a motor built inside, and that's actually what communicates with the app so that you could lace the sneakers. And one thing to note also, you don't need to use the app to lace them up. These are also buttons so you can loosen and tighten them. So now let's look at the sneakers from a style perspective. I'm personally more of a fan of classics, so I don't know about the way this looks. Instantly it reminded me of the old Gary Paytons. Those were the first sneakers I saw that kind of covered the laces. One thing that sticks out to me, I've always been a fan of customizing your laces, having them really loose or putting fat laces or even doubling them up. You don't have that option here. So I'm curious to see how sneakerheads or people that just are really into sneaker culture gravitate to these. Are these going to be worn strictly for performance, or will fashion be a key component? Coming at ya. I'm coming at ya. You better watch out.